Hi guys, Courtney jumping on here again, taking over for Leviticus Fashions today. I am wearing the espresso boot. I love them. This color is so beautiful. It's a nice chocolatey brown. Goes with everything. Wanting to remind you guys, I still am in the Miss Health and Fitness 2020 contest, so I would appreciate your free daily vote. I did also want to let you know that they are doing a donation vote. You can actually purchase 2 votes for $1. The donation goes to Homes for Wounded Warriors. So it's a great cause. I would really appreciate it if you would support them. In supporting them, it's also going to support me. I am currently, I think, in 4th place, so every single vote matters at this point. I appreciate you guys so much. I hope you are all having the best day. Happy Hump Day, Wednesday, and hopefully I see you guys again next week. Have a great day. Bye.